You can make your traveling more joyful with Smart Luggage. They offer various features from built-in scales to GPS tracking and mobile apps. These innovations won't make luggage any lighter, but they could make the traveling experience less harrowing. So if you're interested in buying one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Go through the description below to see all the mentioned products and buy links. Let's begin our list with the Planet Traveler USA SC-L Carbon Fiber Suitcase. This suitcase comes with the support of the Planet Traveler app with a digital self-scale. It weighs your suitcase even without you lifting the case. Incredible innovation and design have LED US to build the sensors into the side studs, so you are hands-free and the weight is visible on your Planet Traveler app. You can charge your phone over 7 times or more with its 15,000 milliamps per hour of power. This suitcase offers 2 external USB charging ports, includes a tube 2.4 amp output and a USB charging port in the front pocket. With the help of the anti-theft proximity sensor, it lets you know when your suitcase is in your area or leaves your area. It has a fully zippered panel that creates a second compartment to keep your possessions organized. Next up on the list, we have the Travelpro Platinum Elite Suitcase. This suitcase comes with a precision glide system that includes a contoured grip, a 4-stop adjustable power scope handle, and MagnaTrack spinner wheels for precise control and effortless roll. The leather top and side carry handles plus bottom cup provide carrying options. Its fold-out suitor is specifically designed to accommodate hanging clothes and prevent wrinkling. Plus, the built-in USB port lets you power up on the go, while a dedicated power bank pocket for your backup battery adheres to FAA regulations. Additionally, it is perfect for short to medium-length trips. This carry-on spinner is crafted in style with premium fabrics, genuine leather, and chrome zippers. Up next on the list, we have the Victorinox WT60 luggage. This suitcase is constructed from 600D ballistic nylon fabric, and this soft-side suitcase is both abrasion-proof and water-repellent. You can easily maneuver this multi-terrain suitcase by its LISOF dual-caster wheels and stable telescopic handle system. The heavy-duty YKK zippers and integrated TSA-approved combination lock provides added security. The Victorinox triple-layered polypropylene composite makes the hard shell a lightweight and flexible case and creates a unique look. At the same time, the soft side uses extra strong, abrasion-resistant nylon. The integrated USB port hidden under the pull-out ID tray enables on-the-go charging. And the ID tray also holds 2 SAK tools, a ballpoint pen, and a SIM card changer. On the other hand, it offers flush-mounted Hall handles, multi-stage telescoping handle, and silent-run 60mm Hinomoto wheels, which makes traveling a breeze. The next product on the list is the Briggs Riley Carry-On Spinner Luggage. This swivel-wheeled bag expands 2.5 inches for up to 25% more packing space. Cinch-down mesh garment panels keep contents from shifting and minimize wrinkling, and the outsider handle provides greater interior capacity. It is made with ballistic nylon outer fabric that resists wear, moisture, dirt, and abrasion. A lockable double zipper pull keeps contents secure, and the speed-through pocket allows quick access to travel items at security checkpoints. Effortlessly and confidently carry 2 or more bags with the secure SmartLink strap. Meet up the all-new Travelpro Crew Rollaboard Upright Luggage. Its ergonomic grip provides comfortable control, while the PowerScope extension handle minimizes wobbling with stops at 38-inch, 40-inch, and 42.5-inch. This luggage is constructed of high-quality ballistic nylon with a DuraGuard coating for stain and scratch resistance. This durable luggage rolls along smoothly with crash guard wheel housings, skid guard, and molded corner guards. Additionally, it offers a deluxe suitor to help keep suits, dresses, and dress shirts wrinkle-free during transport, adjustable hold-down straps, a full-length interior lid pocket, wet pockets, and damage-resistant Supra zipper heads. And finally, our list ends with the Victorinox Lexicon hard-side expandable spinner luggage. The hidden ID tray in the handle bezel slides up to reveal the USB port, pen, and SIM card replacement tool. It has an integrated USB cable that connects the exterior USB port to a zippered interior hanging side pocket, where a power pack can be stored. Its double racket coil YKK zippers are puncture resistant. The integrated Travel Sentry approved combination lock allows TSA screeners to open the lock without destroying it and relock it after inspection. The large 60mm dual caster wheels provide a smooth roll across any surface while offering 360-degree maneuverability and are super recessed to maximize case size and packing capacity. The bottom compartment has two zippered mesh pockets, ideal for accessories, to maximize available packing space between trolley poles. Simultaneously, the top compartment provides a zippered divider wall, stretches for easy packing, and features a large zippered pocket with easy-to-clean lining, ideal for wet or dirty clothes. Hope you folks enjoyed our work. If so, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to show your support. Also, stay tuned with the channel for more videos.